Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maha Ali and my roll number is 19B099CS. So our project title is Online Quiz System. So in this project we have assigned these tables that are student, teacher, questions, semester and session. तो सबसे पहला जो टेबल है हमारे पास वो क्रिएट स्टूडेंट का है. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टूडेंट का नाम लिखेंगे इसके अंदर, देन सेशन ईयर, उसके बाद फ़ोन नंबर, उसके बाद ईमेल और सेमेस्टर आईडी. अब हम क्रिएट के बटन पे हिट करेंगे तो वो हमें ले जाएगा व्यू स्टूडेंट्स के टेबल पे और ये हमें यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट की डिटेल सारी दिखा देगा. अब अगर हमें 14 स्टूडेंट आईडी को डिलीट करवाना है तो हम डिलीट ए स्टूडेंट के यूआई पे जाएंगे और 14 स्टूडेंट आईडी लिखेंगे और डिलीट पे क्लिक करेंगे. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसने जो 14 का जो स्टूडेंट आईडी थी उसको डिलीट कर दी है.
Now we will discuss about teacher module. Teacher module have teacher ID and teacher name. Teacher ID is auto-generated, so I don't have to need to enter it. I will just enter teacher name. So say I enter teacher name. Teacher name Sir Padri. I will now create or press the create, and you can see the teacher ID with teacher name is added in the database with teacher ID 101009. It is auto generated by database. Now if I want to delete this teacher, I will just put his teacher ID that was the delete button. So now you can see the Sir Qadiri has been deleted from the database. I can also view all the teachers by pressing view teachers button, as you can see. So now Asad will tell about questions module.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Ur Rahman, roll number 19B131CS. As we have a table questions in our ERD, so we can have created a page, make a question. On this make a question page, we can enter question ID. We can enter question, for example, value of G. And then we can enter, the teacher can enter 3 different options for the question value of G. Option 1, option 2, and option 3. And the teacher should also enter the correct answer among these 3 options. And then click on the create button. And on view question page, we can see that our question has been created with ID 66. And it has a question, 3 different options, and a correct answer. If we want to delete a question, we will go to the delete question page and then enter the ID, which was 66. And click on the delete button, which will redirect us to the question details page, and we can see that the question ID with 66 has been deleted. 44 has also been deleted. There is no question of value of G on this page. Over to you, Wes.
So now I will tell about semester table. So before telling about semester table, I will tell about session table. I will click on the view session table, view session button to show the session details. We have 3 sessions: session ID 1, session ID 2, and session ID 3. For ID 1, I have fall semester. For ID 2, I have spring semester. And for ID 3, I have summer semester. So when so now I will hit on the enter semester button. I will just enter the semester ID, that is the कौन सा semester चल रहा है. I say I can press 8 semester. 8 semester has session ID number 2 because it is some spring semester. I will hit on the create button, and you can see semester ID 8 has been created with session ID number 2, which means it is spring semester. So if I want to delete this semester, I will create on the delete semester. I will just press enter the session ID, which is 8. I press the delete button. You can see semester ID 8 semester has been deleted. So now we can see all the semesters also by clicking on the view semester button. And if I want to enter the view the sessions, you can see all the sessions have already been added. We can create a new session from this page as well. And if I want to delete any semester, you can see we have 3 sessions. Sorry, session 1, session 2, session 3. Session 3, which is summer. If I want to delete summer, I will just put the session ID number 3 and press the delete button, and you can see session ID 3 has been deleted. So this was a user interface of the project, and this is all the files stored in Visual Studio. We have all the controllers: home controller, question controller, semester controller, session controller, and teacher controller with student controller. We have all the models of each and every table: question, semester, student, and we have models of all the three modules and sub modules and sub views. I mean, create view for student, delete view for uh, question, and index view, which means the details view for क्वेश्चन. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन, स्टूडेंट, सेशन सब के लिए अलग अलग व्यूज हैं: क्रिएट, डेट एंड इंडेक्स. सो दिस वाज आवर प्रोजेक्ट. So thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.